Hello everyone, you are watching Let Us Create Something, and today what we are going to create is really important, especially for the YouTubers. Recently I got a lot of requests regarding this topic, and today I'm going to tell you that how to make an awesome YouTube channel banner for your YouTube channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the Photoshop file. The link for the file is given in the description below, so you can go and download it there and then just open it. So this is the size of the screen, 2560 into 1440, and this will be the area where we are going to put our image, text or anything. So we'll be editing everything inside this area. So let's hide this, and all we have to do is update the channel name, then we'll updating the images, and then we have to just update our usernames for the social media, and then we'll change the color of these stripes also, and we can change the color of text also. Here you can see the banner group, so everything is inside this. So this is it, and we'll be updating our text first of all. So just go and click on the text that you want to edit. Maybe we'll give some name here, Charlie, or maybe some other name, Suman, and here you can change the second name also, that is Thakur. Or if you want to have only one name, like only your first name or the last name, then you can just use any one of that and delete the other one. So we'll use these both. Now what we'll do is we'll update our Instagram and Facebook username. So first of all, we'll go to the Instagram username and we'll type out our username here, Suman_Thakur. Same we'll do for the Facebook. Now we'll put our images inside this group. As I mentioned here, that put your center image inside this group, because I have masked it and that will be really easy for you guys. So just bring your image here, file, go to file, place embed, and maybe we'll select one of the image. So we'll select this one, place it, and here you can see that this is not what we wanted, because we are not putting it inside that group, as you can see it here. So just drag it inside that group, because we have masked it. Yes, so yeah, as you can see now it's perfect. So we'll now bring other two images. So now we'll be updating the right image, so we'll put the right side image inside this group. So you can go, so you can follow the same process, or just go to the folder where your files are and select the file and just drag and drop it there. So as you can see that our image is already masked, because we have put this inside this group. So the same process for the left image also. We'll go inside the group and we'll go to the folder where our file is. So just drag and drop it here. So this is perfect. Just resize it according to your image and just put it. So we are done with the channel name, photos and username. So let me tell you one more thing, like what if you want to change the colors of these stripes. So what we will do is just go and double click on that, and you can change the color. Give any color that you want, but for this I'll keep this color because it looks really good. You can do the same for the text also. Just select the text and you can change the color. As if now I'll keep it same, and same goes for the usernames also. You can change the color, and here I have used one pattern as a background, so you can change that also by double clicking on that and selecting any pattern that you want to use, or any pattern. I found this one really good, so we'll stick with this, and we are almost done. And you can change the background color also, but it don't really matters, because our users are going to see this center screen and I don't really worry about that. So we'll just keep any color here. And so let's repeat once again what we did. First of all you have to do is update your text, that is your channel name and your social media usernames. We'll go and put our center image over here. So in case of photos, only thing that you have to remember is that you have to put your images inside the groups. For the left one in the left group, right one in the right group, and center one in the center group. You must have noticed that these are the faded images, so for that I have used these polygons. You can like remove them, but as we want our users to focus on the center, so we'll just keep them. You can increase the opacity of these polygons according to your images, as you can do anything. You can play around and what fits well for your images. As if now I'll keep 20 because it looks really good, because we want our users to focus on the center screen. That's it, we are done. We'll save our image, we'll go to file, export, save for web, and make sure that you have selected original JPG quality 100, and we'll just save it. So one last thing that we'll do now is we'll test these banners on our YouTube channel. So we'll go and upload these, and here they are, first, second and third. They look pretty awesome. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I'm pretty sure that your viewers or your subscribers will love your banner. And so go ahead and download the file from the link given in the description and update your banner and show it to the world. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and always keep creating. See you in my next video.